For more than 1 billion Hindus in India and all around the world, Diwali is the most important festival of the year. Diwali is full of light and colour, and that is why it is called the Festival of Light. Diwali comes every year in October or November, and people start to prepare many weeks before the festival begins. First, people decorate their homes and clean every part of every room. The Diwali festival is 5 days long, and every day has different customs. On the first day of Diwali, people wash money, first in milk and then in water. This day is also an important day to buy gold and silver. Men usually buy jewelry for their wives.